Hi guys, welcome to another video. These guys are to show you how to improve battery life and RAM usage in Samsung Galaxy Y. Just install SIP from SD card, choose SIP from SD card and select sgYtwix.zip. sgYtwix.zip and yeah, reboot system now. That's it. Now let's check your battery percentage and so Samsung Galaxy Young GTS 5360. Let's wait. Sorry about the sounds of the TV, it's too loud. Okay. Samsung edition. So that's my boot animation. So yeah. So this is my black Samsung here. Charge. So this is my error camera. I crash it. This.
There's so much trouble in this country. There is absolutely no peace.
So
It's
yeah.
very disorderly, and people do not have
So
security.
this is the tricks we have here to extend the battery. That just remove here, remove here, remove here.
What's your next phone? Take photos like a pro. Like that one. Even in low light. How about a memory you can expand and store all your pictures and stuff? I got a lot of stuff. And what's the more than this weather? I can warn you. And what if we could do all that and still look this good? Not you, buddy. Sorry.
So yeah, thanks for watching. Goodbye.